So hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello helper and friend. Today we are going to learn how to add audio in Google Slides. So friend, in this tutorial I will show you step-by-step easy methods to put your audio in your Google Slides. So keep watching. In this video you will learn something new. So friend, first of all we are going to open Google Slides. So friend, you first of all open your browser and simply search Google Slides. So when you search Google Slides, you will get this option. You simply click on this URL. So you will redirect on this page. So this is my dashboard of Google Slides, and here I'm going to create new blank slides. Okay, so friend, here you can see this is my new Google Slide blank page, and here I'm going to apply one theme. So you will get the perfect idea about it. So friend, this is my favorite theme, so here I have added that. Now we are going to add audio. Okay, so what you will do, simply click on this insert menu, and here you will see this audio option. You simply click on that. So friend, here you can see insert audio options. Right now we have three options: my drive, share with me, and resend, but this is showing blank. So friend, first of all you need to upload your audio in Google Drive, so you will easily get that file. Here I'm going to upload one audio file. Okay, so simply type Google Drive. So here this is Google Drive, and we are going to open that, and here I'm going to create one folder, for example audio folder, right? This is audio folder, and then we are going to open it, and right now I'm going to add audio over here. Here I'm going to add MP3, so you will get the perfect idea about it. Simply click on this file upload and find out the path where I have added. For example, this is my track which I like so much. Here I'm going to open and upload. So what happened, that track will upload over here, and after that you can put this audio into your slide. Now I'm going to again click on this Google Slides and insert, and click on this audio file, and friend, here you can see when I upload that audio file in Google Drive, so I'm getting this audio option. Okay, simply click on that and you will see this select button will enable. Simply click on that. So what happened, that file will automatically inserted over here, right? So friend, here you can see this file is added, and right now we are going to play something and we see how it will work. Okay, so friend, I hope you see that how it is working, and if maybe you want to change or delete these things, you can simply press your delete button, so this will gone, and here you will get other option, like if you want to increase play speed and decrease the speed, then you can do that like this. Here you can easily manage it. Okay, if you want to taste it, you simply click over here on the Google Drive, so you will directly play that view file over here very easily. And one thing friend, you can easily move this thing anywhere in your slide, so this way too you can easily rotate that icon in your slide anywhere. Okay, by this way. So friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys, how you can easily add audio in your Google Slides. So friend, I hope you learned something new. If maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below, so I will give you the answer. And friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.